Hey, NASDAQ. We get the best dope on the markets. I am Alan Palmer. What are we looking at here? We're looking at the grain page here. Starting the top left, we got crude oil. We got meal over here with the diamonds. We got bean oil here. We're down about 60 points here into this level, actually a little bit under. And and then the stocks here, we're down 1% here in the stocks, a little bit more than 1% here. So we'll see. You know what? Yesterday's high in the NAS was up 20% on the year here. Metals here, we got silver down 75 cents. We did just go down and make a new low by a penny. 15 was early low. When was this? 23, 11:30. We came down here, made a new low by a penny. I don't know. I think this area up here, if you're long here, this is an area where you got to, I think you probably get light in your lungs or something like that. You got to respect that we can break here. Just, we had let's just look here. This is the purple line here. This was a neckline top. Okay. Wasn't actually that perfect. Neither was that olive over there. Here it what kind of was. And then here you just kind of, anything can go here. So we were kind of trying to hold this green here. We got down to this red here, 47.39 here. So I don't know here. 46.64 here is an area. What was this low? 47.03. I don't know. I think you unload some of the silver on a rally. Hopefully we get a rally here. Wheat here up 3. This is the strong one today here. China apparently, was interested in some wheat. Corn down 4 cents here. We're right at one of these breakouts. Let's just throw this up here. Whatever that is, that was a trend line here. And, we'll see. We're back in this. This is Dees here. I don't know if I'll be moving to March here. There'll be kind of, here's a March here. A little bit less numbers here just because it's, it'll be the new contract here as we roll out of Dees, which actually we should be rolling out of Dees right now, except the Dees still plays going into expiration or into delivery anyway. In beans here, this was a couple small olive lines I had. I was kind of searching here. We did have a green up here. This was also an old low. And then this is mapped out here. I think I just mapped this out in the last day here. Sometimes you just have some levels here that just, if you need a trigger here, if it gives you the courage. So 11:14, no, 11:35 in the goats was the high. This is a weekly chart here. Let's put it up on a daily here. That's what it looks like on a daily here. You had the outside up here. And so we'll see. This is just a little, actually 11:02 here would be, you go from an olive to a green here. We'll see what happens here. We stopped trading actually. So, and the bean oil here, let's keep an eye on that. Bean oil over there went down to an olive line buy here and really rocketed out there. 48.33, that was 150, 200 points almost. So, okay, we're going to call this a wrap. You need something, email me, arp@nasdog.com. Thanks for watching. Trader rule, adage, or excuse. I only use mental stops because when I use stops, I'm always getting filled at the top or the bottom of the market. All right, thanks for watching. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.